Hello and welcome everybody. Today we're going to have a discussion about the plans of the Lord for your life. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so the plans of the Lord for your life. It's one of the topics that we regularly discuss here, but it's vitally important to understand that the Lord is a plan and a purpose for your life. Yes, sometimes we do not know what is the plan. Sometimes we do not feel we are sticking to the plans, and sometimes we get disappointed. We thought we know what we are supposed to do, and at the end, it didn't work out as we expected. Therefore, do not lean on your own understanding. Because every time you're going to lean on your own understanding in your own argument, you will be right and somebody has to be wrong. Now, when we do that, it becomes very difficult because in some circumstances we'll say, well, the Lord is wrong. The Lord is never wrong, but we need to allow the Lord to speak to our hearts so that we can understand what is actually going on. Yes, I don't believe that the Lord forces us. It's a choice, a free will choice that we have if we want to stay on course with what the Lord wants us to do. But also we have our part to play. We are not just going to say, yes, Lord, I want to do your will and then sit at home and do nothing all day long. There's some instructions, there's some basic things that we need to do in life. If we don't gonna brush our teeth, if we don't gonna eat, all of those things we're gonna soon find out that it is necessary aspects of life. So you're not gonna ask the Lord, Lord, must I brush my teeth today? Must I eat today? Things like that. But trust on the understanding of the Lord. Meaning, Lord, I'm going to listen to your instructions if you need, and if it doesn't work out as I expected, please give me wisdom so that I can carry on with what I need to do. Give me wisdom, help so that I can overcome disappointment, and help me to understand if I need to understand what is going on. And then your walk with the Lord will be a lot easier because sometimes we thought we're going to go left here because we expect that we know the plans of the Lord, but the Lord says turn right, and we're like, but Lord, that doesn't make sense. Well, it's not always gonna make sense to you, but it doesn't mean that you're on the wrong path. I really believe that if we desire to fulfill the calling of the Lord upon our lives, even if we take a detour, we will get to the right place. Even if we do something wrong and we've got a repentant heart, we will get to the right place. And therefore, put your trust in the Lord, your understanding in the Lord. Live for the Lord. If we live for ourselves, everything is because we want it. But if we live for the Lord, everything will be because of and for the Lord. Father, I pray today that you'll guide us, lead us, give us wisdom. If we are doing things wrong, give us a word of knowledge so that we know what we need to rectify. Help us that we'll stay on course with the plans that you have for our lives. Help us to focus on what you want us to do. Help us, Lord, so that we'll overcome by the word of the testimony and the blood of the Lamb. Help us to fulfill your will. And I pray, Lord, forgive us where we have done wrong so that we can stay on course. I thank you for your tremendous love and your grace that you have for us. And I thank you for that in the name of Yeshua. Be blessed.